We're going to start by making a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to skip the 2 first chains from the hook and go over to the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch just like this. Okay, now we are going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then we'll go into that hole, the little hole that we have here, which is this, and make 2 more double crochets, making it a total of 3 double crochets. Then we chain 1 into that same little space or circle. We are going to make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then chain 1. Repeat this 2 more times. That is 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. So we have 3 double crochet, chain 1 in 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain right here. Chain 1, tighten, and cut off your yarn. Pull it out, tighten. We'll tie a knot. We will set this color aside because we are done with it. Then we are going to be introducing the next color, which is the gray color. We are also going to start by making a slip knot. Then you can just connect anywhere you want. I'm going to start from here. In any of the chain 1 spaces, you can start your connection. So I'm going to connect it to our work by making a slip stitch. I'm going to tighten it, then chain 3. I'm trying to hide this tail along as I go. So here we have our 3 chains. Then we are going to make 2 more double crochets in that same space. In the next space, the next chain 1 space, which is here, we are going to make 3 double crochets. Then we chain 1, make 3 double crochets in that same space. We are going to repeat this in the remaining 2 chain 1 spaces that we have. Now I'm here. I'll go into this space and make 3 double crochets. After that, I'll chain 1 and make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain right here. So this is what our second round looks like. Next, we are going to turn and make a slip stitch in that space, the chain 1 space. chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, make 2 more double crochets, making it a total of 3 double crochets. Go into this space right here and make 3 double crochets. In the chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, make 3 more double crochets in that same stitch. Now in this space, make 3 double crochets. So in all the spaces that we have that we not have a chain, we are going to make 3 double crochets in them. In the chain 1 space still remains 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. So I'll meet you at the end of the round to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of the third round and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn. So we are going to be introducing the third color, which is the black color. Then we are going to start also by making a slip knot, just like the other ones. So after making the slip knots, you should choose where you want to connect your yarn, but it must be in any of the corners. I'm choosing here. Then I'll go in there and make and connect my yarn to the body of the work with a slip stitch. I'm going to make 3 chains, which counts as a double crochet. Now I'll go into that space and make 2 more double crochets, making it a total of 3 double crochets. Now in these 2 spaces that I have, I'm going to make 3 double crochets in the both of them. Now in the chain 1 space, I'm going to make 3 double crochets, chain 1. So you're going to be repeating these in all the spaces that you have. So where you do not have chains, you make 3 double crochets, and where you have a chain, you make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. I'll meet you at the end of the round to show you what to do. So guys, I'm here at the end of the fourth round and this is what it looks like. For the fifth round, I'm going to turn and go into that chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets in that same space, making it a total of 3 double crochets. Then in these 3 spaces that we have, we are going to make 3 double crochets in each of them. So in this space, chain 1 space, I'm going to make 3 double crochet I'll chain one. I'll chain one and make 3 more double crochets in that same space. So you are going to be repeating this until you get to the end of the round. 3 double crochets in the spaces that you have no chains, and where you have chain one, 3 double crochets, chain one, 3 double crochets. So guys, I'm here at the end of the 5th round, and this is what my work looks like. Okay, I'm going to chain one and cut the yarn off. Okay, so we are going to measure to know how many inches we have. We have 5.5 inches, but when we stretch, it's going to be 6 inches. So you need a total of 9. So the connection is just going to go stitch by stitch, okay? So remember, first here we have 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's what we are going to be connecting together with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So stitch on stitch, we go on both loops. You can go on one loop if you want. If that is okay by you, you can go on one loop. But I want to go on 2 loops. So 2 loops, and that's the both loop. It's not as if we have more than 2 loops. So go on both loop of this one and both loop of this one. So guys, I'm done connecting and this is what it looks like.